Find highest value in Excel. Hi, this is Extend Office. Today we will demonstrate ways to find the highest value in Excel. First, let's learn the easiest method, the max function. To get the highest value in the list A2 through A7, we simply select a blank cell and type an equal sign, then enter max followed by an opening parenthesis. Next, select the range from which to get the highest value. Now, close the parenthesis and press enter. The highest value is returned at once. The max option of AutoSum allows us to automatically generate a max function, eliminating the need to type out the full formula manually. Note that it requires the numbers, from which the highest value is to be extracted, to be arranged in adjacent cells. To get the largest number from this column, we should select the cell right below the column. Then, go to the Formulas tab, click the arrow below AutoSum, and select Max. As you see here, a max formula is automatically generated with the number selected. Press Enter to execute the formula, and you will get the highest value among the selected numbers. If your data is in a row like this, then you should select the cell to the right of the numbers, and then select the max option from AutoSum to get the biggest number from the row. In this section, we will learn how to use conditional formatting in Excel to highlight all cells containing the maximum value within a range. First, let's select the range for which to find the highest value. Then, on the Home tab, select Conditional Formatting, Top or Bottom Rules, Top 10 Items. In the pop-up dialog box, enter 1 to format only the cells with the highest value. Then choose your preferred formatting option from the predefined options. You can also customize your own format by selecting Custom Format. Here I will format the cells with the highest value, with green fill with dark green text. As you see, any changes you make in this dialog box are instantly reflected in your dataset. If you are satisfied with the result, click OK to apply the conditional formatting rule. If you have Kutools for Excel installed on your computer, you will be able to easily select the largest value in a specified range, or select the highest values across each column or row within that range. In this example, I want to select all cells that contain the peak value in the list. So, first, I will select the list, and then go to Kutools, Select cells with max and mean value. In the dialog box, I will select the maximum value option, cell, and all cells. Once I click OK, the cells with the highest value are instantly selected, and a dialog box displays the number of cells that were found and selected. Now, let's learn how to get the cell address of the maximum value in a column in Excel. To get the cell address of the highest value in column A, we should first use the max function to identify this value. Then, we can use the match function to get the row number of this highest number. As you see from the result, the max value occupies the 5th position in column A. Next, use the column function to return the corresponding column number of the list. The column number is obtained by now. Now that we have both row and column numbers of the highest value, we can use the address function to return the cell reference. The cell address of the maximum value is returned right away. The complete formula is structured as follows. That's it for getting cell address of the highest value from a column. To learn how to get the cell address of the highest value in a row, go to the tutorial provided in the video descriptions. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.